What's up guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting on a skid plate on this new Sherco. Developed for enduro, Baja, motocross, and off-road to be suitable for all types of riding. Made with composite, impact-absorbing plastic with silicone additive to reduce friction grab. The TMD skid plates are designed to allow maximum frame flex while being 30 to 40% lighter than aluminum and reduce the amount of engine noise bounced back to the rider. Tested and used by top off-road teams, all hardware and linkage wear pads are 100% replaceable. Now this bike is protected and ready for battle. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the trail.